Good morning everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So we are basically doing a check, right? We are going to basically check the seedlings or the seed trays to see if they have started to germinate, right? So this is how it looks. Remember, this is a black plastic bag we have over the trays, and as you can see we have some amount of water on top of it, right? And this was because of some rain we had yesterday, right? So let us remove the bag to see what is happening with them. Okay, put those one side. So let us observe to see if we see any germination going on. So let us first look at the, hold on, put these down here. Let's first look at the label. So this set here is a Scotch bonnet. So let us check the Scotch bonnet. Okay, no signs of germination as yet in the Scotch bonnet. Let's check this is the tomato. Oh wow. Okay. Don't know if you are seeing this. Right, but here germination has started. Right? And let us look some more. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Right? So germination has started, and this one here, it seemed like it basically was about to, like it bent and was about to break. But let us see, that is what I was explaining to you about. As soon as you see them germinating, you have to take them out, right? Just like, let me show you. This is a nice example here, right? Take a look at this one. This one here, it has just started. You can see it. Let me get something to show you. Find a piece of stick. Alright, so here it is, right here. It has just started to push up, right? So as soon as you see it starting to push up like this, you remove the tray from under the black bag, because if you don't remove it from under the black bag, you are going to get something like this. It gets very etiolated or elongated and it breaks, and you don't want your seedling to start off this way, because it will become like more susceptible to damping off, which is a fungal disease, right? But let us see if we are going to, if this one is going to survive, right? And let's just go over it again. See, we have some more. So the tomato has started to germinate. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove this tray, and we are going to put it on this side here, right? So let us see if any more germination is happening with the other trays. So this is the sweet pepper, right? Sweet pepper. So I'm not seeing any germination. The sweet pepper. Let's look at the chili pepper. I'm not seeing any with the chili pepper, but I see where a seed here. The seed here needs to be depressed, right? It wasn't covered properly, right? So the chili pepper hasn't started germinating as yet. This one is what? This one is a cabbage. Let us check the cabbage. And tell me if you can see any germination with the cabbage. Alright? This is where the tray this is where the tray stops. This is where the tray stops. This is where the tray stops. So don't go over into this part. Alright, so look, take a good look. Take a good look. Just go up the line. Let's go up the line. Alright. Just go up the line. I don't know if any of you catch what I saw or see what I saw. Let us go over again, but now I'm going to go from a more lower angle, right? And you tell me if you see any. First of all, I see one. It's very hard to see, right? Here's one right here. Here's one right here, and if I should remove, let me go a little closer. If I should remove this clump of growing medium from of it, you see that is it's cabbage has started to germinate, right? Let us continue. Right, here's another one. This one is more visible. So right, so germination has initiated. So we are going to move the cabbage tray as well. So we are going to move the cabbage tray and the tomato tray, right? So, and this here out here now, this one is the celery, remember? This set out here is the celery. So let us look to see what is happening with the celery. Nothing is happening with the celery as yet. Right? Celery, nothing is happening as yet. Right? So we are going to leave the celery, the chili pepper, celery, the sweet pepper, right, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. We are going to leave these under the black plastic bag, right? So let us start moving them. Okay. So, and another thought, maybe I could just put the ones that have started to germinate on one side and leave the others that are not germinated as yet on the other side, and just keep everything on this side for now, right? And then now when everything has germinated, I can start, like, you know, sectioning them up and moving them about, just to give them some space, because they are just in the initial stages of germination now, so they don't really need a lot of space, right? So I think that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just move these trays, put them over here for now, right? And I'm going to just move this further up here, not too much to the edge, but so that the other tray can fit, right? And I'm going to move this tray. I can hold it like this because I'm very skillful at it by now, right? So, and I'm going to lay it right in here. Okay. So cabbage, tomato, and I knew that the tomato would have taken a very short time, right? Because remember in my previous video I told you that the tomato would take maybe about 3 days, right? But it actually takes 2 days, right? It germinates very quick. So whenever you're setting tomato seeds, be sure to check it within 24 hours. Start checking it. So if you set it now, start checking it tomorrow evening. You understand? Because they germinate very fast. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put back these, which is the hot pepper. Right. So I'm putting back these. Right. I have a mosquito bite me a while ago. You know, sometimes the mosquitoes they pitch on you, you know, and it's like you don't even know that they're on you, and they bite you and you don't even know that they're biting you. Right? Until you give your face a slap. Well, so yes, so that is it now. So we're just going to cover it back. As a matter of fact, because during the days the sun gets really hot, you know, so I'm going to, even though the plastic bag is helping with the humidity, I'm going to just give them some more water, right? Let's give them a slight sprinkle to ensure that they have enough water to really imbibe, right? Imbibition. So that is when the seeds absorb water, which help with the germination, right? So I'm giving them a nice little wet down, which should take them through to germination, right? I'm just going to give these here a little wet as well. Not so much because you don't want to dampen off to really affect them. So you don't want to overwater them either, right? So this is what it is, and I'm going to cover them back now. I'm going to cover these back. Right, so there we go. It's covered now, and we have these out here. Right. So yes, guys, that's an update for you, and I hope you have learned something in this video. Right, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and please leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you again in another video.